My dear, here, I brought this for you.
You really? Jewelry? Diamonds, maybe? Oh, is it a ring? I need to know what it is right now. Can't wait anymore. So, it's a frying pan. A really heavy one. Just heavy enough to hit you with. What's that? How long do I have to put up with this? I give you all my love. In exchange for a frying pan? Take that!
Ouch!
I've had enough of this.
I can't believe it.
Enough!
So much pain.
Frying pan. I'll find a man who will cherish me. And if he gives me a frying pan, it will be made of diamonds. Oh, yeah.
And then I was like, come here, wormhead, and he got spooked and ran off.
You're so funny. So nice. Aw, no way!
We really have to get to see one in the living room.
He didn't even turn back for a wave. Unthinkable.
Let's go. I'll tell you another story.
I didn't want to hear your stupid stories. He didn't even turn around. Well, I'll show them a thing or two.
Should have asked her to go straight back to my place.
He was a mistake. Another one. One mistake leads to another, but I won't let it happen again. I'm going to break the cycle. Oh, my Piro. I was so wrong, but everything will be okay. I can fix everything, rearrange everything, and you will come back to me. I'll just take a little while. Mwah. Like this. And the final touch. I'm ready.
Who's there? Oh.
Ahem, ahem. Look, I want to work.
Wonderful. Come on in. There's a lot to do here. We need to hang this picture.
Yeah.
Hang it here.
Yeah, okay.
Great job.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Go on. I'll get out of your way.
Just a little more. Done. That wasn't so hard. Plummet, it won't stay. Urgh. Why can't I do it? Well, keep calm, Liza. You're not here for all this, really. Hee hee. This will be the tragedy of the century. Or the comedy? So, I dump this wonderful shampoo in here, and I pour this paint over here. Hee hee. Such a fresh idea. Now, shake it up, shake it up. It will be as good as advertised. Hee hee.
There's nothing better than a hot shower, and now I'm gonna wash my hair. It smells interesting today, or it's just my imagination.
Well, what do they say?
Go on, read it out loud.
Guys, I'm back. Now I'll just dry my hair.
Holy tubers!
What's the matter with you? No, what's the matter with me?
Maybe she'll be able to wash it off.
Well, I've already drilled here, and even here I did it. Well, and where to hang this garbage? I think maybe we should try here.
A little bit of salt. Let's see. Yummy. Excellent. I'll let it rest a couple more minutes, and then I call my dear for dinner.
Nobody? Nobody? Well, a bottle of spicy sauce has never spoiled a meal. I'll show you, dear.
I cook only for you, dear. Bon
Yummy.
appetit. I love to feed you.
I'm going to try it now. My mouth is on fire!
How did it happen? I don't understand.
For love only. Don't you leave the workman alone in your love nest. Expensive perfume? Really? Pour it out the window. What a pity. Where's my assistant? Well, yes, I occasionally have a skunk with me. So what? Man, this is for love only. Unpleasant, I know. But the result? Excellent. Now collect all this in a bottle. Hee I'm the best perfumer, the most mind-blowing scents, just for you, sweetie.
I think I will use perfume in case there's an unexpected romantic outing. My favorite perfume. Yucky! I feel I'm gonna puke. Wish I could get it off. Get it off! Honey, I changed my mind. Let's stay at home tonight and watch a good movie. Just the two of us.
Where is the stench coming from?
It's just too big. What's wrong with you?
I'm fine.
It makes my eyes water.
It's just perfume. It don't love me anymore.
You said it.
Yippee-ki-yay!
Well, I don't really know. Here and here. I'm going to keep drilling. I'm a pro, ain't I? Come on, girl. Don't cry.
I'm so fragile.
I know for sure what will cheer you up. Look, this flower is for you.
How beautiful. Thank you. You're truly a sweet person. You deserve a kiss. Mwah.
No!
It's too late. I like
What
you.
the? I can't believe my eyes. You won't get away with this. Get lost. And you with him too. This is my house.
Explain everything. I'm all alone again. One little kiss is to blame.
Well, it worked.
What did he try to do with the wall? He just held it out. I wasn't prepared for that.
Here he comes, and I will go out in all my beauty to run into him as if by chance. He won't be able to resist.
Where can I find the money for a new wall? Whoa!
Oh, I dipped out in such a hurry, didn't think at all about how I look. I hope I don't see anyone I know. Oh!
Goddess!
Hi, Piro. Nice to see you.
Not half as glad as I am to see you.
It's so good to be back together.
And then I think this is a great exit to the backyard.
You're so resourceful. No way.
And then I was like, come here, wormhead, and he got spooked and ran off.
Unthinkable. He didn't even turn back for a wave. Now I'll give you a new story.
Look, I want to work.
Of course, man, I have a lot of work for you.
Gotcha. And take your toys with you.
But Liza...
Get out! Go away!
You broke my heart. Look at all this junk I have. But maybe...
No maybes, that's all. I'll close the door behind you. Tut-tut. Just like that.
I'll show you, Tata. I'm not easy to get rid of. Whoa.
Oh, I'm ready. What a wonderful evening it will be.
You will have a wonderful evening, oh yeah.
Oh, what is this? Ah! A swarm of bees is attacking me! Leave me alone! Ah! I have to jump!
My love, you're incorrigible. Where is my lovely lady? Hope she doesn't keep me waiting.
I'm right here.
Holy tubers. I guess I'd better leave.
I fell down a tiny bit, but I'm fine, really.
I still have to go. There are things to do. Urgent ones.
Will you call me?
No.
What do you mean, no? He won't call me. What a shame.
Right now?
So much to do. These are a few of my favorite things.
Here I go. You'll regret how you kicked me out with all my stuff. So, where should I put it? This is the perfect place.
Oh, I'm so tired. There is nothing better after a hard day's work than to roam around the internet for a while.
Well, then, fading light of my life. Get ready to plunge into impenetrable darkness.
Oh, what happened? Where's the electricity?
Get ready, Liza. I'm starting the show.
What's that? What's that sound? It's so creepy. I'm scared.
Not bad, but it's going to get even better now.
Is it the wind? Why is it blowing inside? I should close the window. No, there's something in there. Ah! Ow!
Well. Yeah, she's not here. I've got something with me. So you didn't like my toys? Well. Then how about a snake in our bed, huh?
I feel like taking a nap. Golly, snake! Don't attack me! Answer the phone, please!
Aha, this is going just as planned. Go on now. You said snake? I'm on my way.
Hurry up! I don't know what to do with it! Oh, you're already here.
Keep calm. Where did the snake crawl?
Well, it's over there. In bed. In our bed!
Get it. Give me a minute. This awful deadly creature.
Be careful.
It's not a big deal. Get out, monster. You don't give up, do you? Then I banish you.
My hero. You were great. And here comes your reward. Mwah! Well, welcome home again, sweet console. Now I will return it to its place, dear. Over here.
And I'm welcome home to...
Soup coming soon. It's a spider! Ah!
What happened? Spider? It's a spider! Liza, take him away!
What? Ugh, I've been tricked. Again!